Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class second year chapter number 2 differentiation exercise number 2.7. In this lecture I will solve question 4 part 1 to 3, that is most important for paper's point of view. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon on my YouTube channel. Let's start question 4 part 1. Y is equal to sine 3x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. dy over dx can also be written in the form of y1 is equal to derivative of sine 3x is equal to cos 3x. Again derivative of 3x. So y1 is equal to derivative of 3x with respect to x is equal to 3 cos 3x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of y1 with respect to x is equal to y2. Derivative of cos 3x is equal to minus sin 3x. Again derivative of function 3x. y2 is equal to plus minus derivative of 3x with respect to x is equal to 3. So 3.3 sin 3x. y2 is equal to 3.9 sin 3x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of y2 is equal to minus 9. Derivative of sin 3x. Derivative of y2 with respect to x is equal to y3. Derivative of sin 3x is equal to cos 3x. Again derivative of function 3x. So y3 is equal to minus 9 cos 3x. Derivative of 3x with respect to x is equal to 3. y3 is equal to minus 3. 9 times minus 27 cos 3x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of y3 is equal to minus 27. Derivative of cos 3x. Derivative of y3 with respect to x is equal to y4 minus 7. Derivative of cos 3x is equal to minus sin 3x. Again derivative of function 3x. So y4 is equal to minus minus multiply minus plus 27 sin 3x, derivative of 3x with respect to x is equal to 3. So y4 is equal to 27, 3 times 81 sin 3x, which is the required solution. Question 4 part 2, y is equal to cos cube x. First, as it is, y is equal to cos cube x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. dy over dx is equal to derivative of cos cube x. dy over dx can also be written in the form of y1 is equal to derivative of cos cube x. This is power rule. We apply power first 3, next cos power minus 1 power 3 minus 1 x, again derivative of function cos x y1 is equal to 3 cos square x, derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. y1 is equal to plus minus minus 3 cos square x, can also be written 1 minus sin square x into sin x. So y1 is equal to minus 3 sin x minus multiply minus plus sin square multiply sin cube plus sin cube x, again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of y1 is equal to derivative of minus 3 sin x plus 3 sin cube x. Derivative of y1 with respect to x is equal to y2 is equal to minus 3 derivative of sin x plus 3 derivative of sin cube x. So y2 is equal to minus 3 derivative of sin x is equal to cos x plus 3. This is power rule. We will apply power first. Right, 3 sin 3 minus 1 sin square x, again derivative of function sin x So y2 is equal to minus 3 cos x plus 3 into 3 sin square x. Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. y2 is equal to minus 3 cos x plus 3 times 9 sin square x can also be written in the form of 1 minus cos square x into cos x. So y2 is equal to minus 3 cos x plus 9 1 multiply cos x minus 9 ones are 9 cos square x into cos x cos cube x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of y2 is equal to derivative of minus 3 cos x plus 9 cos x minus 9 cos cube x derivative of y2 with respect to x is equal to y3. Further differentiate minus 3 derivative of first function cos x plus 9 derivative of cos x minus 9 derivative of cos cube x y3 is equal to minus 3 derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x plus 9 derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x minus 9 into 3 cos square x, again derivative of cos x. So y3 is equal to minus multiply minus plus 3 sin x plus minus minus 9 sin x minus 9 3 times 27 cos square x. Derivative of cos x with respect to x is equal to minus sin x minus 9 sin x plus 3 sin x is equal to minus 6 sin x minus multiply minus plus 27 cos square x can also be written in the form of 1 minus sin square x into sin x. y3 is equal to minus 6 sin x plus 27 27 sin x plus 27 sin x, sin multiply 1 sin x plus minus 27 sin square dot sin x sin cube x. Y3 is equal to 27 minus 6, 21 sin x minus 27 sin cube x. Next, y4 again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of x y cube is equal to derivative of 21 sin x minus 27 sin cube x. Derivative of y3 with respect to x is equal to y4 further differentiate derivative of 21 minus y4 is equal to 21 derivative of sin x minus 27 derivative of sin cube x. Y4 is equal to derivative of sin x with respect to x is equal to cos x. Derivative of sin cube x 3 sin 3 minus 1 x, again derivative of function sin x. (21 cos x minus 27 into 3 sin square x sin 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Derivative of sin x with respect to x is equal to cos x. 21 cos x. 27 3 times 81. Sin square can also be written in the form of 1 minus cos square x. Minus 81 cos x. 81 1 multiplied by cos x plus 81 cos x dot cos square x cos cube x. (81 minus 21 is equal to 60. So minus, this is cos x, minus 81 cos x plus 21 cos x is equal to minus 60 cos x plus 81 cos cube x y4, which is the required solution. Next question 4 part 3. Y is equal to natural log into x square minus 9. First, y is equal to natural log into x square minus 9. Y is equal to natural log into x square minus 3 square. Can also be written 9 into 3 square. Y is equal to natural log into x minus 3 x plus 3. By the property of natural log, y is equal to natural log x minus 3 plus natural log into x plus 3. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. dy over dx is equal to derivative of natural log into x minus 3 plus natural log into x plus 3. Again differentiate. Derivative of dy over dx can also be written in the form of y1 is equal to, further differentiate derivative of natural log x minus 3 plus derivative of natural log x plus 3. y1 is equal to derivative of natural log into x minus 3, 1 divided by x minus 3. Again derivative of function x minus 3 plus derivative of natural log 1 divided by x plus 3. Again derivative of function x plus 3. So y1 is equal to derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1, constant derivative 0, so 1 divided by x minus 3 plus derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1, derivative of 3 with respect to x is equal to 0, so 1 divided by x plus 3. y1 is equal to, in numerator form, x minus 3 whole power minus 1 plus x power 3 whole power minus 1. The denominator in numerator form power will be negative. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of y1 with respect to x is equal to derivative of x minus 3 whole power minus 1 plus derivative of x plus 3 whole power minus 1. Next, derivative of y1 with respect to x is equal to y2. So y2 is equal to, this is power rule, we will apply power first, minus 1 into x minus 3 minus 1, according to power rule, minus 1 minus 1 subtract. Again derivative of function x minus 3 plus minus 1 power first x plus 3 whole power minus 1 into minus 1. Again derivative of function x plus 3. So y2 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 3 whole power minus 2. Minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1 minus derivative of 3 with respect to x is equal to 0. Plus minus minus into x plus 3 whole power minus 1 into minus 1 minus 2. Derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1. Derivative of 3 with respect to x is equal to 0. So y2 is equal to minus into x minus 3 whole power minus 2 minus 2x plus 3 whole power minus 2. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of y2 is equal to derivative of minus into x minus 3 whole power minus 2 minus derivative of x plus 3 whole power minus 2. Derivative of y2 with respect to x is equal to y3 minus, this is power rule, minus 2 into x minus 3 whole power minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 power rule minus 2 power first x plus 3 power minus 1 subtract. Again derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1. This is with respect to 1. So y3 is equal to minus multiply minus plus 2 into x minus 3 whole power minus 3 minus multiply minus plus x plus 3 whole power 3. Next again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of y3 is equal to derivative of 2 into x minus 3 whole power minus 3 plus derivative of 2 into x plus 3 whole power minus 3. Derivative of y3 with respect to y is equal to y4 is equal to 2 power rule minus 3 power first x minus 3 whole power minus 3 minus 1. Again derivative of function x minus 3, x derivative with respect to x is equal to 1 minus 3 constant derivative 0, so 1 plus 2 into minus 3 derivative x plus 3 whole power minus 3 minus 1. Again derivative of x plus 3 is equal to 1. So y4 is equal to minus 6 into x minus 3 whole power minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 plus minus minus 6 x plus 3 whole power minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 taking common minus 6. So y4 is equal to minus 6 into x minus 3 whole power minus 4 plus x plus 3 whole power minus 4 y4 is equal to minus 6 1 divided by x minus 3 whole power 4 plus 1 divided by x plus 3 whole power 4, which is the required solution. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you like my channel, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.